And quality matters. The South Korea fire investigation is a perfect example. Fires with battery systems aren't new. Starting back in 2017, there have been over 20 stationary storage system fires that use lithium-ion batteries in South Korea. One of their government organizations called MOTI was tasked to lead a cross-functional team to investigate the root cause, and new installations were halted and existing ones were only allowed limited charging range, so their state of charge windows were significantly reduced as a mitigation effect. After an initial investigation that focused on system integration errors, the moratorium was released, new installations started, and they have re-allowed systems to charge at a higher SOC rates. And subsequently, there have been more fires, and the investigation is still ongoing. And some of the latest focus of the investigation is on potential quality issues within the battery cells themselves. So quality matters.